Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this stainless steel pan suitable for all hob types including induction. Premium from Ernesto. With vent, 20 cm diameter, 2.5 liters the maximum capacity, base thickness 6 mm, encapsulated sandwich base with a 3 years warranty. LGA tested quality, production controlled quality safety. For cooking, of course, what else? So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. And of course you can find on different dimensions, 24, 26 the diameter. Wow, I like it, it's quite heavy. Here we have the measurements, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5 liters. The manual, okay, I like that. Wow, quite heavy, I like it. Definitely it is a premium product. And it looks amazing. Ernesto. How you can use it. The ventilation, quite heavy. I like the thickness of the glass. And of course the glass lid with the steam vent, it is practical for checking on the contents of the pan during cooking and allows steam to escape. The stainless steel side handles, definitely it gives a great look to the pan. Amazing design. The pan maximum it can handle 250 degrees Celsius and the lid with a glass 180 degrees Celsius. That was the unboxing. Thank you for watching. On my next video with a double induction hob, you will see how you can use this stainless steel pan. It is very heavy, definitely a premium product. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.